going?
It hasn't been good for a while.
Wonder who's at the door. Hey babe, can you come here? There's a big box out here and it's quite heavy. I don't think I can lift it.
Alright, on my way.
I'm not sure what it's from. It's a big box. I think Amazon was here earlier. Looks pretty heavy. Where do you want to open it at? Out here? I don't think we could carry it inside, honey. We're going to have to open it up out here. It's pretty big. Why don't you go grab a knife or some scissors and let's try to open it. It looks pretty heavy. I don't really remember ordering anything. I wonder what's in it. I don't really remember ordering anything, and it looks pretty heavy and it looks pretty big. What do you think's in there?
Don't know. It is pretty heavy.
I can't wait to see what's inside of it, babe. 3.
Oh, you don't want...
What is in there? Like, I keep hearing this scratching noise. What is that? What is that? What in the crap is that? What is it?
It's...
You're scaring me. What is it?
Well, here you go.
Oh my God. Oh, how cute. Oh, how adorable. Is there anything else in there?
Yes, there is. Yeah.
Well, I seen that it says fragile on the box, so there must be something else in there. And it says that it was delivered fragile. What else is in there, honey?
It's...
Oh my goodness. Another one?
Yes, she's cute.
Oh my God. Another one?
That pretty little...
Honey, uh-oh. Uh-oh, I think I hear
this.
another noise. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, she's so cute. You are so adorable. Oh my goodness.
Honey, could you hold her? Because I think there's something else in the box.
Yeah, hand her to me.
Honey.
What is that noise?
Looky here.
A third one?
Yeah.
What in the world? Oh, he's just a puppy. He's cute.
Really friendly, too.
Oh my goodness, he's so cute. 3 puppies? 3?
Yep.
Look at this cute puppy. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. They are adorable. What is that noise?
I don't know. I always too.
What is that? I hear a scratching noise. What is that? 1, 2, 3. 3? What in the heck is going on here? I think I hear something else.
Yeah, there's something else to do.
Oh my God.
Just want to take a little bustle.
Oh my God. What is it? Tell me. You're worrying me.
To let those 3 boys. Alright.
B.
This one's heavy.
Oh my God. What is in there then? Please tell me there's no more. What in the crap? Whoa. Wow. Wow. You're big. You're a big girl. Now I see 1,
What are we going to
2. How are we going to end this? I count 4 dogs. 1, 2. I think we better look in the box to make sure it's empty. Yep. Thank God. 4 puppies? What a delivery. No wonder why it said it was marked fragile. Who would send such a thing? 1, 2, 3, 4 puppies. I guess we'll have to just go take them for a walk.